All right. Look how smooth the river is now when this wind died down. Don't fall. Never mind, you did. Beautiful river. Cha-cha-cha! Big full moon coming up. Don't you fall your big butt down. I don't think that tree was designed to hold you. That's good there if you can tie it on. Be careful.
I'm jumping in that water.
Look how smooth that river is. The wind died down. Ain't that nice? You hear that water?
He's a regular old Jasper.
Yeah, he is.
Do you know who I'm talking about?
Jasper?
Yep.
On Lonesome Dove?
Nope.
I mean, I don't know any other Jaspers.
Jasper County Jasper.
Oh, Jasper County Jasper?
You know what I'm talking about now?
I know Jasper County.
You know who that was named after?
Nope.
Them boys down in Charleston when they were fighting the British, their flag got shot down. He got up on top of the ramparts and climbed on a stick and tied the flag back up where they were
Really?
shooting cannonballs at him. Yeah, county
Well,
named
I don't
after.
know nothing about that kind of stuff.
Yeah, well.
I know Jasper on Lonesome Dove.
Uh-uh.
He wasn't worth a hooey.
How about that, fella?
That looks good. Have to bring some duct tape back.
I know you should have got them apples.
You didn't bring no apples?
I wanted to. I thought about it.
You tell me you didn't bring apples.
I should have.
You brought bananas.
Brought bananas. There's one left.
One?
One, I got hungry.
You ate all them bananas?
Cassie.
He tasted half of them.
You liable to see the Broad River swamp monster.
Look at that, man. That's cool shit.
Eh?
Stuff. Dam. There's a dam up there.
There's a dam up there. You can hear it.
Look at that.
That is nice.
Like the Statue of Liberty or something.
Yeah, our Statue of Liberty. A little bit, we'll go try for some frogs.
In what?
Walking.